Welcome back! Today we will learn how to crochet an oval shape. Let's start.
To make the oval shape, we will start by making chain. First we will make slip knot and then we will make 10 chains. Once you have 10 chains, then we will make first single crochet in the second chain from hook, and then we will make one single crochet in next 7 stitches as well. Including the first, there will be 8 single crochet. In last stitch we will make 3 single crochets. Now we will work around on other side of the chain, and we will make one single crochet in the next 8 stitches. We will work this outer loop of the chain. We have made one single crochet in the 7 stitches. Now in the last stitch, the 8th one, we will make 3 single crochets. We will join the round by making a slip stitch on the top of first single crochet of the round. With that, we have completed our first round of oval. For second round, we will make one chain and then we will make one single crochet on this stitch and then one single crochet in the next 7 stitches. For next 3 stitches, we will make 2 single crochet in each of them. 2 single crochet in next 3 stitches. One single crochet in next 7 stitches. Two single crochet in the last 3 stitches. When you are done completing the round, then we will make a slip stitch on the top of first stitch and join the round. In the same way, we can keep working and make the oval as big as we want. I hope you understand how to make an oval shape now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.